talk about mental health a lot on World Radio Gardening, and we tell you that a walk in the forest is something that can really chill you out. Look at that. Imagine waking up to this in the morning. Wouldn't it be fantastic? The sun glinting through the trees, being able to walk on the beech leaves, mainly beech, bit of oak, and look, there's your own walkway out so you could hug a tree, hug your very own tree. Imagine waking up to being able to walk across and round your very own wooden building built in the forest on stilts, so you can actually enjoy the peace and quiet that you can get from being within the woods. Think about it. Could you find somewhere that you could wander and get peace and quiet? Perhaps you could. It's good for your health. It's good for everything. Here on World Radio Gardening, we recommend that you go walking in the countryside for peace.